Hi guys, congratulations as you're heading to London for your studies, but the big task in hand, finding an accommodation that provides you on-site amenities and the benefit of staying close to universities. Am I right? Hi guys, after a long time, this is Sunidhi Shahi and today I will write to like the top 7 accommodations in central London for all budget ranges. So if you are a student moving to the city this September, check into one of the best student accommodations in the central or the eastern side of London, Zone 1. Let's start with Spring Mews. Guys, Spring Mews is a centrally located student accommodation in London. In spite of being in London Zone 1, which is regarded as an expensive inner circle, staying here is quite economical and the rent starts from £215 per week onwards. Every room here is fully furnished to the highest of standards to offer maximum comfort to the students. Students can make use of the study rooms equipped with a projector and a screen or head to the social spaces where you need a break and indulge in a friendly game of pool. They can even work out on the on-site gym when they need to distress. Let's move to IQ Magenta. Guys, located in Zone 1 with rent that starts from £300 per week, this student accommodation is placed next to some of the popular London university campuses like Queen's University London. Whether in a 6-person flat or a studio room, living at Magenta House is relaxing and secure. The social events organized by the accommodation keeps the student energy occupied. The perks of staying here are its good amenities like free gym, bike, storage, free Wi-Fi and social spaces as well. It gives students the option to choose between self-contained studios and in-suite rooms shared by 4 to 6 people in a flat. IQ Shoreditch. Guys, IQ Shoreditch student accommodation is carefully placed for both its quite and budget rent and convenience. Within walking distance of universities such as UCL, Queen's University and City University London, the property helps students save on their commuting expenses. Being in Zone 1, IQ Shoreditch is a great choice for any student seeking a cozy living space in central London. Facilities provided by the accommodations are particularly impressive with rent starting from somewhere around £315 per week. All this for on-site amenities including an on-site gym, laundry facilities and communal rooms to wind down after a hectic day at the university. Moving forward, Dashwood Studios. Guys, located on Walworth Road in Zone 1, Dashwood Studios boasts modern interiors that have been designed perfectly for students to move in. The studios available are fully furnished and include double beds with Wi-Fi connectivity. The social events organized by the accommodations provide opportunities to connect with fellow residents as well. With rent going roughly between £300 to £330 on a weekly basis, it takes less than 30 minutes by train to reach University College London and the University of London. Moving forward, Therese House. Located in the central zone 1 of London, Therese House is a godsend for those who want to live in the thick of things. It is just a 13-minute stroll while UCL, LSE and King's College London are 15 minutes away by tube. The property offers a rent ranging from £300 to £330 per week and features room with high-speed Wi-Fi, on-site laundry and maintenance, study space, common area with TV and many more. There are quite study rooms and meals that can be prepared with the help of other residents in the shared kitchen. All rooms have heaters to adjust the temperature. Next, Chapter Spitalfields. Located in the heart of edgy East London, Chapter Spitalfields offers modern student living in the heart of London. Situated near universities like Coventry College, University London, Newcastle University London and GCU London, this student accommodation is in Zone 1. With weekly rent ranging from £360 to £380, the room at Spitalfields are well lit, airy and spacious. The property offers a range of room types to choose from that will cater to every need to be booking an insert room or a studio. In short, residents are truly spoiled. Next is Urbanist Vauxhall. Located at the center of Nine Elms, central London's newest and most exciting riverside quarter on the South Bank, Urbanist Vauxhall offers stylish and slightly more luxurious accommodations with loads of amenities on offer. Quite in budget with rent starting from £390, Urbanist Vauxhall is known for its close proximity to the University of London and the King's College London. The accommodations is split between a range of modern, high-specification studio apartments and in-suite room or private rooms that offer a suitable yet secure student life. There is underfloor heating which is controlled by an individual thermostat and a friendly team present on-site 24 hours a day to answer all your questions. I hope this video helps with your accommodation hunt, and if you need any other help with booking any of these properties or simply have a question about student accommodations in London, just type in the comment section below or visit www.universityliving.com. Bye for now with the promise to meet again. Happy living!